baby, I can make you my apprentice. I put you on the 5 different strands of some income, rapping, trapping, fashion, real estate. Forgot one, that's a significant song. Fuck it though, I'm greedy, change a nigga life quick. Don't be dumb, you need me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be attempting a jumbo goddess braid ponytail, whatever it's called, but you know what I mean, the jumbo braid thingy with the goddess look with the little curls. Okay, it's already in a ponytail. I have like 2-3 hair videos now with me showing you how I get my hair in a ponytail. And to achieve my ponytail, I use, damn, these are dirty. I use my Style Factor Edge Booster, and I use my Style Factor Edge Booster hair pomade. Them shits hold my hair down, and I also use a little bit of clear ice gel. So this is what I use to do my ponytail. So we're starting off with a old ponytail. All I did was remove the extensions that was on the end, and I just redid my edges and tied it down. So we're starting off with that, and we're using 1 pack of Expressions braiding hair, and I got it in the color 1B, and the hair came already sectioned and with like a little elastic band that I'm gonna take and attach to my own hair. It's already plaited, but it was really loose. So what I did, I applied a scrunchie or a hair tie and, you know, made a little loopy thingy, and that's what I used to attach the braid to my little ponytail. Make sure the hair tie is secure, guys, because you don't want the braiding hair falling out off your own hair. And just go in and pull the ends out so it's not that choppy. And I'm going to attach the braiding hair to my hair using the hair tie. Then I'm just going to flip the braid over, and I'm going to pull a section and wrap it around the hair and to get some bobby pins and secure it. That will camouflage my own little ponytail. And I took some freeze spray and I sprayed to help with the frizz and to just help the hair lay down a little bit better. And I'm using bobby pins to secure this. Use as many bobby pins as you need. Then section the hair in 3 parts. That's what I'm doing. And just start your braid. I'm not the best braider, and I had nails on me, which made it even worse, but I still did it. So if I can do this braid, you can do it too. And the braid doesn't have to be neat, like really neat, because when you're finished, you're gonna pull the sides out to make it a little bit bigger. So just braid it as best as you can, guys. Just keep braiding the hair, guys, until you're close to the end. Then you take a rubber band and secure it. And the little ends that's left out, don't worry, we'll take care of those later. And what you're gonna do after completing the braid is pull little sections out from the braid. Those are the sections that we're going to curl, and that'll give us the goddess look. We're gonna go in with some cold rod sets, I think that's what it's called, and we're just gonna put each section on one, and we're gonna just add it to the entire hairs that we have left out, as well as the end of the ponytail where we have all that extra hair. That's what we're supposed to look like. Then you're gonna dip the hair in boiling water. Be careful, guys, be really careful. After that, we're gonna remove the little rods, and that's it. I'm gonna take my wax stick just to neaten my hair, any hair sticking out, and then I'm gonna trim the curls, and that's really it. I'm using this little gold cord thread thingy as my decorative thing in my hair. I'm not using the little gold clips because I don't like those. So I'm just spraying my hair with some oil sheen. Then I'm going to go in with my little gold string around my hair and at the end just to give it some flavor.
And that's really it, guys. We've come to the end of this tutorial, and it was so easy. I'll catch you in my next one, and I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys.